Figure shows a rope supporting two loads W and P. If BC is horizontal and W equal to 600 Newton, determine the load P. Also, find the tensile forces developed in the different segments of the ropes. So, what is given is this W is 600 Newtons and it is said that BC is horizontal. Now, consider this W is 600 given and this angle is 30 degrees, this angle is 60 degrees. This rope and this rope, they will carry tension. So, this angle is 30 degrees and this angle is 30 degrees. So, because they are alternate angles and this angle will be 150 degrees because this total will be 180 degrees. 180 minus 30 equal to 150 degrees. This angle will be 90 degrees. This angle will be 90 degrees. So this total angle will be 120 and this angle will be 90. 90 plus 30, 120. And tension in this cable, say it is TVA, and tension in this cable, say it is TBC. Now, this total angle is 120 degrees, this angle is 90 degrees, and this angle is 150 degrees. Now, applying Lami's theorem. To apply Lami's theorem, there should be three forces. They should be diverging or converging towards a common point. In this case, here there are three forces. They are diverging away from a point and we know the angle between the forces. Now applying Lami's theorem. First consider this force tension in cable BA divided by sine of the angle between the other two forces TBA divided by sine of angle between other two forces sine 90 degrees, that is equal to TBC, this force divided by sine of the angle between other two forces and that is equal to this force 600 Newton divided by sine of the angle between other two forces sine 120. 150 sine 150. Now solving for this TBC value and for we consider this joint. Here what we got is tension in this rope BC we got. Now we need to find this P load. We have is this angle is 60 degrees and this angle will be also 60 degrees. This remaining angle will be 120 degrees because this total angle is 180 degrees and 180 minus 60 degrees equal to 120 degrees. This is 90 degrees. So 90 plus 60, this total angle will be 150 degrees and this angle will be 90 degrees. So mentioning tensions in the cables, ropes. So say tension in this rope is TCD and tension in this rope is TCB. TCB and TBC both will be same and this load will be P. So we have to find out this P. We know TCB value or that is equal to TBC value. Now applying Lami's theorem, TCB by sine of angle between other two forces, TCB by sine of 150 equal to TCD divided by sine of angle between other two forces, TCD by sine 90, that is equal to P by sine of angle between other two forces, P by sine of 120. So we have TBC value, and from that, from these two, substituting for TCB equal to TBC, we get P value, and for TCD, consider first one and last one. TCD by sin 90 equal to TCB by sin 150. From this we get TCD value.